Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, Todd and I just got back from a trip to Northeast Tennessee. So, several days ago, well, actually on Monday, Todd, who's worked here and helped out with some of the demo work on the workshop after it collapsed, and he's been back several times to help out with different things and all. And Thea had to stay home here to take care of the homestead, the cats, the business, all of those things. So one of the things that this video is going to be about right now is a little introduction to me following an excavator to the first dig site on the property. So here we are in Northeast Tennessee, and so in this video, I'm just going to zoom in here a little bit. This is our entrance on the property. The excavator starts off right about here, so this is the location that the excavator is starting at, and it's going to go up here to this location here, over 200 feet above this level here where we're at in elevation. And so the path that we're going to take with this is right up in here. Going to follow this here, go around. You'll see, point out the dam here for the pond that's here. Continue up in elevation the whole way. This is about a 50-foot. Right in here, it's about a 50-foot drop in drop to the pond level. Then we continue the rest of the way up here, and we pass through the edge of the low meadow area, and there'll be videos showing up. Todd will have a video that shows the area around here as well, so you'll be able to hear some of the native wildlife. Then we go up this path here, make a little bit of a detour here, and we're going to end up right up here, right where my finger is on the screen. So that's the path that we're going to be taking during this, because you'll just be seeing me walk behind the excavator, and I'll talk a little bit. My condition is not optimal. I've been locked up all winter, and I don't get a good cardiovascular workout now. So the lactic acid was really building up in my legs as a result of the climb, in a sense. So there's quite a change in elevation in here, and there's beautiful views of the mountain range just opposite. You'll be able to see. So we get up in here, and you can see this mountain range up in here, which is spectacular views. And so you can see this is a climb going uphill the whole way. It has one little spot where it's a little bit flat right alongside of the pond there, but that's about it. So that's what you're going to see in this video. I don't know that I'll do any intro narration for the rest of the videos. There'll be a video where Todd takes my camera with a gimbal, and he walks around, he discusses some things, but a lot of the time he's just quiet. You can just hear his footsteps, and you can hear all the native birds in the area as well. It's absolutely stunningly beautiful, the property is. The slope and the narrow roads, we're going to have to deal with that, and the very narrow entrance. I've got to do a lot of work down here. It took the driver of the excavator, the truck and trailer, a long time to get in and out of the driveway and all. Now, he didn't have much experience, and I'll go over that in another video. We'll talk more about the geologic process, the geologic study, and the steps that George's assistant Will was doing while the excavation hole was being dug. So that's it. So I hope you enjoy the video. So he got confused. Excavator operator drove by the property and didn't think it was possible that this would be the place. So he went to, and there's no cell phone service here. So except for a couple spots, you get a little bit of cell phone coverage. So gonna have to get a portable Starlink here. So we're going to go dig some test holes now and see how everything is. Not as bad as some of the pond roads I put in, honey. But there are a few sketchy areas. So this is 33 ton excavator. The Elon is I'm thinking 18 ton, 17, 18 or 19 ton, I believe. So we're coming up the pond levels right over here to our right. So this is a lot like climbing the hill down and back of the property, coming up from the beaver ponds, to give you an idea. But it's multiple of them. So we're at the pond level here, and he's going up to the low meadow now. It's a very tight fit here, getting the equipment in. But he's a pretty darn good driver. It's all uphill here. Pond is down there. So some of these trees need a lot of trimming. It's hard to appreciate the slope on the property when you're looking at a GoPro camera view. But I can feel a little lactic acid build up in my legs as I'm doing this. So that's the main road that we've coming up now to get to the lower meadow. We're still climbing here. We're getting close to the lower meadow now. Bedrock's starting to get exposed in this area near the surface. Bedrock. This is the lower part of the lower meadow over here. Well, I am getting tired here. And if the ground were frozen or snow on it, no way he'd make it up here with the slope. Beautiful mountain view here. We got some stakes over here that George has marked off. You can see a little bit of orange there. I don't know if you could see it, for where test holes will go. Whew. My heart is pounding. It's quite an incline here. So we're getting close to the upper meadow. Whew. Here's a tree stand right here. Oh, it's another marker here. Oh Lord, I'm huffing and puffing here. Lots of lamb's quarter. I don't see much clover or bird's foot trefoil. So the ridge road is right over, property line is right over in that area over there. That's the western upper property line. Oh boy. Yeah, use your stick in order to turn there. Yeah. I'll look and see if that's wet, but he's spinning some. Yeah, it's a wet spot. He's sinking in. Need to use that stick to turn that machine. Yeah. So this is a stake mark by the upper, at the upper meadow. Oh. Deer browse all through here. Geez, they may have some persimmons down here. That's a native persimmons right there, I think.
And then after that, we'll just dig it, 8 or 10 if we get it. If not, yeah, if we hit rock,
Yeah.
Closed up, the vault.
Oh.
Just make sure it's closed up.
Oh.
I don't know if it is.
I have
or
no
not.
connection right now.
Oh.
I'm sorry, say that again.
Walk over, you couldn't get up here.
You got up.
Yep, had to walk.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, it's fine.
That's okay.